Shri Bhagwati presents Liquid Cleaner Bottle Filling Machine. A liquid cleaner bottle filling machine is a piece of equipment used in manufacturing and packaging facilities to automate the process of filling bottles with liquid cleaning products such as detergents, soaps, disinfectants, or any other type of liquid cleaner. These machines are designed to improve efficiency, accuracy, and consistency in the bottling process. There are specialized nozzles that dispense the liquid cleaner into the bottles. The number of nozzles can vary based on the machine's capacity and the required production rate. The machine is equipped with one or more reservoirs or tanks to hold the liquid cleaner product. The product is pumped from these tanks to the filling nozzles. Different liquid cleaner bottle filling machines use various filling methods, including gravity filling, piston filling, peristaltic filling, or vacuum filling, depending on the viscosity and characteristics of the liquid being filled. Liquid cleaner bottle filling machines can significantly increase the efficiency of the production process, reduce labor costs, and minimize the risk of product contamination. Choosing the right machine depends on the specific requirements of your operation, such as the type of liquid cleaner, bottle size, and production volume. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.